Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Missy and welcome to Bargain Beauty Deals. If you're part of the family, thank you for coming back. Today we are going to do the Allure Box. Yay! Yay! I swear I get my boxes like later than everybody else. Does anybody else feel that? I still haven't even gotten my Ipsy bag yet. It's frustrating. But if you're not familiar, Allure is a $15 I mean, what am I doing? Allure is a $15 a month monthly beauty subscription where you receive 5 to 7 luxury and sample size items, and it's a lot of skincare, but there is some makeup items. So you open the box up and you look inside and it looks like that. That's such a cute bag. You always get this little pamphlet that it goes over everything that you received in your box. I got an itch, sorry. And then there is also a coupon code for Bubble Bar. Not sure what that is, but there you go. So outside of the bag, we have SGX NYC, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry and Texture Spray. So what this is a hairspray and a dry shampoo all in one. I got a huge one of these in my Walmart favorites box that I paid like $9.99 for. So I have one of these and it's huge, and I'm actually not a huge fan of it. So this will go into a future giveaway because I already know it's not my favoriteest thing. They also have in here this summer glow guide with like exclusive offers. Look at these weird underwear in this though. Like, do you see they're like have little lines on them? That's weird. Whatever. So this is my bag. The bag's lime green. So they used to have snaps on the bag, but this one in last month's Maze, they had these tuck ones. So I kind of actually like that a little better. I'm going to be honest, because those snaps were hard to do. So this is a little, I don't know. They're kind of like a little pencil pouchy thing, maybe for if you're traveling. Okay, so, and again, this pamphlet just goes over what's in your box. Let me see what this says for SGX, because oh, it's right here. They don't say the value. I just saw it at my Winn-Dixie, and it was $8.99. Walmart, it's probably $7.99, so an $8 value basically. But yeah, there's no price or anything on here for that. But I did just see it at my Winn-Dixie. Okay, so next we have the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. So I love eye creams. This will get used eventually, but you know, eye creams are hard to go through, so I actually have a bunch. This is a $35 value, and this is actually a full-size bottle. So there you go. It says where has this lightly cooling, never irritating eye savior been all my life? So it has a cooling feeling to the touch. Okay, what's this? Thermal spring water. This is Thermal Avane thermal spring water. This hydrating facial mist will be in my purse from now until Labor Day. So it's just aerosol water. It's canned water, and the full-size one of these has an $18.30 value. Is this the full size, or is this the $18 value one? I think it is. I'm gonna be honest. I think this is a full-size one. I don't know though. I don't know. I could look into this. So I'll use this just because to cool off in the summer. I live in the South and it's hot as balls here already. I hate humidity. I moved here from the Pacific Northwest, and us PNW girls do not know how to deal with humidity like is in the South. So this Moroccan argan oil hair treatment. This is $44 full size. I use oil treatments all the time. I'd probably go through this in like 3 or 4 days. Maybe, I mean, I could maybe make it last a week. I might be able to make this last a week. 5 to 7 days this will go. But I use Moroccan oil, some sort of Moroccan oil or coconut oil, some sort of oil in my hair every day, because otherwise I can't get a brush through it. And this full size is $44. What I do think is weird is how it comes in there. Usually there's like a pump. This one doesn't. It smells like Moroccan oil. I don't know. Okay, next we got a floss gloss. That rhymed. A floss gloss. This is, it says it's going to be my new favorite lip gloss. I think we will find out. So this is a floss gloss. This is full size, and it is a $16 value. Oh, look, that's kind of cute. Is anybody else sick of all the lip glosses, though? Like, every month, I get 5 subscriptions, and I'd say 3 out of 5 every month has a lip gloss. At least. Okay, next we have the Brow Gal Tanya Crooks eye pencil. Let's open this up. What color did I get? Does it say? How do I, oh, it just, I was looking for a tear thing. This is in, it looks like it's like a taupe color. Oh, look at that, so cool. And it looks like you can just put it in here and spin it. It doesn't look like it. This is a sharpener. The lid is a sharpener. Okay, I got mine in medium brown, so I could probably use medium brown. I think I can probably use medium brown. Oh, it looks like a taupe. That does not, damn it. That's a taupe color. That's not a medium brown, which I guess taupe can be considered medium brown, but taupe is like a universal shade, supposedly, but if you have black eyebrows, it's not that universal for you, but you can use it up front for the lighter and then darker in the black. So, and this is a $23 value, but I do find Brow Gal stuff at TJ Maxx and Marshalls all the time for pretty cheap, so keep that in mind as well. So this is a full size, this is a full size, and this is a full size. So this was how much? I don't even remember now. $35. The gloss was $16. Wasn't that right? Was the gloss $16? Yeah, $35 and $16 is $51. Plus this, that's a $74 value just for these 3 things. And I paid $15 for it. And we also have this. So that's 6 things, 3 full size. I'm not mad at it. So that's the Allure box for the month of June. Let me know if you got the same stuff as I got. It looks like there's no variations this month, so we should have all gotten the same stuff. I don't know. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. We're at 102 subscribers, and I'm getting ready to do a giveaway again. And this one I think is going to be rose gold themed. So let me know if you're interested in a rose gold themed giveaway. I'll see you guys later.